today's video, I would like to give you 4 lampshade options. They are low cost, quick, and simple. So come along with me as I work on this upcycle project. Project number 1, I just took the lampshade that came with the old lamp that I bought from the thrift store. Quick and easy update. Just twisted some rope and then hot glued it around the top and bottom. Project number 2, not quite as quick as number 1, but still as easy. I began with the old lampshade that I had gotten from a thrift store and just removed the cloth with a razor blade. Now that the metal frame is exposed, it's time to recover. I just took some twine, anchored it to the metal frame, and began to wrap. For the finishing touches, I had some burlap ribbon that I went around the top and the bottom of the frame to hide the exposed portion. Project number 3, I found this little basket from the dollar store, but the basket had a wood bottom, so I just took a drill bit and drilled a hole in the bottom to mount it on the lamp. Project number 4, same concept, except this time I used a metal bucket that I had gotten from the dollar store as well, drilled a hole in the bottom, embellished with a little stencil and paint, removed the handle, and it was good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to do a DIY project of your own.